also some flowers of this place. We can see, guys. Come on, come on, come on. We can see. Look at this. Oh, what a beauty. Look at this. It is good. Look at this. Another like that one. Come on, guys. Look at this. That's good. Can look at this, guys. Let's look at this. Look at this. That is the same one that I saw before. There. Come on, guys. Look at this. This is also same. This is also same. Look at this. This is one variety type. Guys, is it good? Yeah. Come. Giant leaf and one color. Come on, we can go to the. Look at this. This is same as that plant. This is cool. Come guys, look at this. This is one another plant. Look at this. Leaves. Look at this. Yellow dots. How is this? Yeah, cool, man. Look at this. It's the same as that I saw before that. You can see next. This one variety type. Look at this. It's very cool. Yes? Yeah. This one. So many wheels are there in this variety. Look at this. It is good. I think we can make this flower bowl. We can make this as a bowl. Okay, we can go to the next side. Look at this. How is this? Cool. Thank you for watching the video. This is all for today's first video. Thanks.